Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Silent Speed. Today, we're diving into a masterpiece of American engineering and luxury living on wheels, the 2026 Royal Royce luxury motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of sophistication, freedom, and modern technology combined into one breathtaking package. Whether you're a road trip enthusiast, a luxury lifestyle lover, or simply fascinated by high-end motorhomes, this review will show you why the Royal Royce 2026 is redefining what it means to travel in style. Let's begin. From the very first glance, the exterior of the Royal Royce 2026 commands attention. The design language is sleek, aerodynamic, and confidently elegant. The front fascia features a bold chrome grille accented by slim matrix LED headlights, giving it a regal presence both day and night. The smooth aluminum body panels flow seamlessly from front to rear, minimizing drag while maximizing visual appeal. The two-tone color scheme, often customizable with over 15 premium finishes, adds a touch of personalization to this luxury machine. Massive 24-inch alloy wheels and adaptive air suspension not only enhance comfort but also make the motorhome glide effortlessly across any terrain. LED perimeter lighting wraps around the entire body, illuminating the ground as if the road itself is welcoming royalty. Step inside, and you're immediately transported into a world of uncompromising luxury and craftsmanship. The interior is a masterpiece of comfort, designed for long journeys and lavish living. Every inch is wrapped in hand-stitched Italian leather, complemented by real walnut wood veneers, brushed aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting. The main lounge area features reclining captain chairs with built-in massage, heating, and cooling functions. A panoramic glass roof bathes the interior in natural light, while smart electrochromic technology lets you control the tint with a touch. The living quarters offer a full residential experience. There's a fully equipped kitchenette with a premium induction cooktop, convection oven, smart refrigerator, and even a built-in coffee brewer. The master suite features a king-sized memory foam bed, 4K smart TV, and hidden storage compartments designed with the precision of a luxury yacht. The bathroom rivals those in high-end hotels, boasting a rainfall shower with chromotherapy lighting, a digital temperature system, and marble-tiled walls. Everything inside the Royal Royce 2026 feels meticulously thought out, an environment designed not just for travel, but for living beautifully. Now, let's talk about performance, because the Royal Royce 2026 isn't just about looks. Underneath this luxurious shell lies a powerful hybrid diesel-electric drivetrain, delivering over 650 horsepower and 1,000 Newton-meters of torque. The motorhome can accelerate with surprising agility for its size, gliding smoothly thanks to adaptive ride control and torque vectoring technology. The electric assist system allows for silent cruising in eco mode, perfect for early mornings at campgrounds or city driving. With an extended fuel range of over 900 miles and an optional solar-assisted charging roof, this machine redefines energy efficiency for luxury travelers. When it comes to safety features, Royal Royce has integrated some of the most advanced systems available in the RV world. It's equipped with a full suite of Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, meaning it can handle lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and obstacle detection on highways. Multiple radar and lidar sensors constantly monitor surroundings, while 360-degree cameras ensure no blind spots. The emergency braking system, rollover prevention control, and advanced traction management keep the driver and passengers safe in all conditions. Inside, an AI-powered fatigue monitor observes driver behavior and suggests rest breaks, while onboard air purification ensures a healthy cabin atmosphere no matter where you travel. What truly sets the Royal Royce 2026 apart are its unique selling points. It's not just a motorhome, it's a mobile luxury suite powered by smart automation. The onboard AI system, named Royce Mind, learns your habits, adjusting lighting, temperature, and entertainment preferences automatically. The voice-controlled home interface allows you to manage every function, from window blinds to generator power, using simple commands. The floor can even raise or lower to adjust height depending on the landscape. The exterior side panels extend automatically to expand interior space by up to 30%, creating a spacious living area at the touch of a button. There's also an optional drone companion package that maps your surroundings and captures aerial footage of your journeys. For true off-grid travelers, the Royal Royce comes with a built-in water recycling and purification system, ensuring independence wherever you go. Now, for the price. Luxury always comes at a premium, and the 2026 Royal Royce is no exception. The base model starts around $1.4 million, while fully customized versions can exceed $2.2 million, depending on the chosen features and interior finishes. But for those who can afford it, this isn't just a vehicle, it's an investment in a lifestyle that blends comfort, power, and freedom like nothing else on the road. In conclusion, the Royal Royce 2026 isn't merely a motorhome, it's the embodiment of luxury travel for a new era. It delivers a harmonious balance between design, technology, and performance, crafted for those who refuse to compromise. Whether you're chasing sunsets across the American West or exploring the coasts in 5-star comfort, the Royal Royce ensures the journey is as breathtaking as the destination. Thanks for watching today's review on the Silent Speed. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of luxury on wheels, make sure to